Hi guys, this is Mrs. G. I have a pretty but simple oil pastel project for you today. But before I begin, please like and subscribe.
You will need cardstock paper, a box of oil pastels, any kind would do, any brand would work, Sharpies and pencil if you're not comfortable with direct drawing with a Sharpie, and a rag. This is very important that you have a rag. First, I will make the boat. For the boat, it's very simple, just simple lines, straight lines, angular lines. And then that back part, I have made a curve because I want to make the rudder to show the rudder. And because it's a sailboat, I don't want to make it very simple. I don't want to give it just one sail. So I'm going to make one sail. It's fluttering in the, it's blowing in the air. Another one. And, and then a flag that's fluttering. I don't want to make the bottom line because the waves are covering it. So let me make the waves like zigzag-ish lines, and then some drops of water splashing, and then another line under that, and something that goes above it too. Then I use a cup to draw a circle. Make sure the circle is a little big because I want the sun to be shining bright and big in the sky. And then I make some birds flying away. And the closer birds, I will make the body to show that they are more clear as they are moving further away. I will not make the other body parts other than the wings to seem like they are disappearing into the sky. And then I go ahead, like there's land close by, I make a palm tree. I want to make a palm tree, so I'm going to make a curved line and then go with it, and then make the leaves, the palm leaves, and some striped lines around them to make the leaves, the palm tree. And some coconuts.
Now that we are done with the drawing, make sure you watch through the end. I have some amazing oil pastel techniques to show you.
First, I'm going to use oil pastels. I'm going to color the sun yellow and a little bit of orange or red. Make sure you push it hard and then fill it in. The sky also I'm going to make yellow. Try to avoid the boat, but oil pastels are forgiving, so you can layer over them. Then I use red or a shade of orange and go on the bottom side of the sky, which is going to touch the ocean, which looks like it's touching the ocean. And once that is done, I am going to show you a very important technique. I'm going to take the rag, put my pointer through it, and whatever part I have colored, I'm going to blend those colors. I'm going to use my pointer. Make sure you hold the paper with your left hand, and I'm going to blend wherever I have used oil pastels. This is a very important technique, and it makes a whole lot of difference in how your art looks. I'm going to use some more yellow on the sun to make it look a little more brighter, and a little more yellow in the orange part of the sky. And once that is done, I'm going to color the boat brown. I don't like the original brown that I chose, so I'm going to use a different brown and fill it in. Then I'm going to choose green, two shades of green to fill in the sail, and the color red for the fluttering flag. Once that is done, I'm going to go to the waves. I'm going to choose blue and white to use the waves. The bottom part of each wave, I'm going to use blue, and then the upper part, I'm going to use white. Although you can't see it, but when we blend, you will see why I have used the white. Once I'm done with the white, I'm going to use a little bit of the blue again And once I have used the blue a little bit, I go back to my rag. I choose a different section. I don't want to use the rag where I used orange. I want a fresh section. I'm going to blend in this part. And see, the white looks light blue now. And I'm going to repeat this for the other two waves, the blue and white, and then blending them with the rag. And then I'm going to blend in the boat and the sail and a little more yellow on the sun. And we have a finished product.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you regularly visit my channel as I will be dropping new content through summer.